Hi, in this video I'll explain the concept of work function of different kinds of metals, and we'll start with what is work function. So on the right hand side you can see a sketch where there's an incoming light beam. It consists of quantum packets of energy, and light is energy. It hits the metal, and from the metal out come electrons which have been ejected or thrown out from the atoms of that metal. These electrons are here represented as blue spheres. They are just hanging in there and they are not moving around, so their velocity is zero, and because velocity is zero, their kinetic energy is also zero. So Einstein explained in his photoelectric effect equation that the work function differs for different materials, and it is the minimum energy required as an input from a light beam in order to release the electrons from a metal surface. When we say release the electrons, it means the electrons have overcome the attraction of that metal surface, overcome the attraction of the atoms of that metal surface, and they have escaped the metal and they are hanging out there. They are not moving. On the left hand side you can see a table, and you can see various metals, cesium, potassium, sodium, and you can see the work function, which is given as 1.9 electron volts for cesium, and as we go down the table we can see the work function increases. That means for platinum 5.6 electron volts is required to release one electron from platinum. That means that the energy required is increasing as we move down the table. With that, we need to have a look at what is the electron volt. 1 electron volt is a unit of energy. Work function is energy and electron volt is a unit of energy. It's very small, so therefore it is used for particles like photons and electrons, as against the official SI unit of energy, which is joules, which can be used for a car moving on a road or a block moving on a plane. Now 1 electron volt, if it's energy, what is it? It is the energy required to push or extract 1 electron against a potential difference of 1 volt. Then the question arises, what is 1 volt? 1 volt is defined as the potential difference that requires 1 joule of energy to act on 1 coulomb of charge. So 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. If we take that and multiply volt into the charge of an electron on the left hand side, then on the right hand side we will have joule per coulomb into coulombs, and we will get joules. So that's what is done below. So the energy of 1 electron volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb into the charge of 1 electron in coulombs, and therefore we get the answer which is given in red as 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. 1 electron volt is just a matter of convenience in terms of speaking. So if I have to release 3 electrons from the surface of a metal, I will say I need an energy equivalence of 3 electron volts. If I have to move 4 electrons out of the metal, I will say I need an input energy of 4 electron volts, and so on. Thank you for your time, and I hope this video was useful to you. Please log into my website if you want to learn more. Thanks and have a great day.